The idea of sending humans to Mars has been a dream for many years. Mars is the planet that most resembles Earth in our solar system, and exploring it could teach us a lot about the universe and our own planet. Recently, there have been serious plans and discussions about how to make this dream a reality. Mars is interesting for several reasons. Mars is one of the closest planets to Earth, making it easier to reach than other planets. Mars has some similarities to Earth, such as days that are just a bit longer than ours and polar ice caps. Although Mars is very cold and has a thin atmosphere, it is still the most Earth-like planet we know of. Scientists are curious about whether life ever existed on Mars. The planet shows signs that it might have had water in the past, which is essential for life. Several organizations are working on plans to send humans to Mars. The American Space Agency, NASA, is planning to send astronauts to Mars in the 2030s. They are currently focused on returning humans to the Moon first, which will help them prepare for the longer journey to Mars. Elon Musk's company, SpaceX, has an ambitious plan to send humans to Mars even sooner, possibly within this decade. SpaceX is developing a spacecraft called Starship that they hope will be able to carry people to Mars and eventually create a colony there. Other space agencies, like the European Space Agency, ESA, and Russia's Roscosmos, are also interested in Mars exploration. Working together could make the mission more successful by sharing knowledge and resources. Traveling to Mars is not easy and comes with many challenges. The journey to Mars takes several months, and astronauts would need to stay there for a long time before they could return. This raises concerns about their health, both physically and mentally. Mars has no breathable air and very little water, so astronauts would need advanced technology to provide them with oxygen, food, and water. They would also need protection from the planet's harsh environment, including its cold temperatures and high levels of radiation. Landing on Mars is difficult because of its thin atmosphere, and taking off again to return to Earth is even harder. Engineers are working on ways to make sure the trip is safe both to and from Mars. Despite the challenges, there are many benefits to exploring Mars. Exploring Mars could help us learn more about the history of our solar system and whether life ever existed on the planet. The effort to get to Mars is pushing the development of new technologies, which could have benefits beyond space exploration, including in areas like medicine, energy, and transportation. A mission to Mars could inspire people around the world, especially young people who might become the next generation of scientists and engineers. Sending humans to Mars is a big and challenging goal, but it is also an exciting one. The journey to Mars could teach us much about the universe and our place in it. As we continue to develop the technology and plans needed for such a mission, it's important to think carefully about the challenges and benefits. If successful, a mission to Mars could be one of the greatest achievements in human history.